Hi everyone! Good morning! So, paalis na kami ng bahay, papunta na sa airport dahil magbe-vacation kami ngayon sa Boracay! So, I'll see you later after the flight. Bye for now!
Got drinks. Wow. Thank you, Ate.
Hi everyone! So, nandito na kami sa Astoria, Boracay and pasok na tayo sa room namin. Room 425. Automatic po yung pinto nila dito. Walang tao. Arjania, why you hiding? It's our second day in Bora and dito kami sa may pool. Kanina nag-swim ako pero ngayon chill na lang muna. I'll see you later! Nandito kami ngayon ni Ate Malin sa viewing deck ng Astoria, Boracay. You wanna say hello, Ate Malin? That would be a no. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung super ganda na view. Yan, magsa-sunset na. Happy birthday to you!
Ganda naman natin.
Happy birthday to you!
Magapit.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Order mo ba niya ikaw yung cherry? Dito ka muna. Ito ginagawa yung cherry.
Sabi nung komedyante, sabi niya, sobrang... Go!
Nagpipicture ba siya? Bro!
Nawala? Ano ba? Ulitin ko ba?
Okay guys, so dito namin balak kumain mamayang gabi sa I Love Backyard Barbecue. Look guys, may bagong hotel dito sa gitna ng D-Mall and its name is Feliz Hotel. It looks so nice. May isa pa siyang building sa side.
food for Tinina.
Hi everyone! Kala ko nagsita. Good morning! Last day na po namin dito sa Boracay. It is 6:39, so we purposely woke up early para makita yung beach ng ganito katahimik. Super ganda and it's so cold. Tapos may sun, so perfect weather pag ganito kaaga sa beach. I'll see you later! Guys, look at the sand here in Boracay. It's one of the finest and whitest sands. There, see? Super pino. Pwede na siya gawing pulveron. Diba, Chico? Yun nga yung project niya eh. Gagawin niya daw pulveron. Mag-uwi siya marami.
very tasty pulver. Tastes like sea.
Super ganda. Super lambot rin sa paa. Hi guys, so papunta na kami ngayon sa airport kasi uwi na kami.
Hanggang airport daw siya.
Hi everyone! Nakauwi na kami. I'm so happy. Home sweet home. Super na-miss ko yung mga dogs namin. Nagluluto na lang kami ng dinner and then kakain na. So, I'll end my vlog here. Sorry, super ikli. We barely did anything on vacation. Nag-rest lang talaga kami and kumain. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video if you want me to do more vlogs, as in yung parang daily vlog, travel vlog, ganon. And also do comment down below your suggestions. Again, thank you for your time. God bless us all. Bye!